9 Best Refrigerators in India 2019. 9. Whirlpool 190L Direct Cool Single Door Refrigerator Review. This Whirlpool refrigerator has a specialized ice zone whereby you can make ice quickly. The manufacturers have placed the milk tray right below the freezer. This ensures that the milk does not get spoilt. The removable gasket ensures that you prevent the entry of bacteria and fungi. The 190-liter capacity can ensure that you are able to store a lot of fruits and vegetables in addition to your normal food items. The reciprocator compressor enables optimum performance and ensures savings in power consumption. The compressor has a 5-year warranty, whereas the main product gets a 1-year warranty. Samsung 192L Direct Cool Single Door Refrigerator Review. The 192-liter capacity can prove to be the optimum size for the best single-door refrigerator. The aesthetic bar handle adds great sheen to the refrigerator's looks. The crown design is an innovative one that exudes a great deal of charm. The toughened glass shelves can withstand loads up to 150 kilograms, thereby allowing you a great deal of flexibility. Capable of withstanding high voltage fluctuations, you do not need a stabilizer for the refrigerator to function properly. You have the facility to lock the refrigerator when you are away and do not want your children to gorge on the sweets and fast food. This refrigerator has a 2-star rating. The compressor has a 4-year warranty, whereas the product gets a 1-year on-site warranty. Whirlpool 215L Direct Cool Single Door Refrigerator Review. One of the largest, best single-door refrigerators available in the market, this Whirlpool model has a capacity of 215 liters. Hence, you can store ample quantities of food easily. The unique Sixth Sense Fresh Control technology enables you to keep the fruits and vegetables fresh for a period of 7 days. The honeycomb moisture lock crisper cover enables the vegetables and fruits to retain their crispiness for a longer time. The insulated capillary technology prevents any leakage of the refrigerant. This ensures the fastest cooling, thereby allowing you to make ice in the fastest time possible. The refrigerator model comes with an extra-large freezer box, thus making it apt refrigerator for storing non-vegetarian food. You have extra facilities like an extra shelf, a deep chiller to cool your soft drink bottles, and so on. The 6.LG 190L Direct Cool Single Door Refrigerator Review. LG is one of the most reputed manufacturers of refrigerators. This single-door 190-liter refrigerator is a masterpiece. You get unmatched performance with the smart inverter compressor. The advantage of this refrigerator is that you can connect it to the home inverter when you have a power cut. The toughened glass shelves can hold the heaviest of vessels without cracking. The moist balance crisper technology allows the fruits and vegetables fresh for a long time. The antibacterial gasket keeps out the bacteria and ensures that the food remains hygienic. You need not use a stabilizer as this refrigerator can withstand heavy voltage fluctuations. You get a 1-year warranty on the product along with a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Whirlpool 245L Frost-Free Double Door Refrigerator Review. This is a compact refrigerator having a capacity of 245 liters, an intelligent refrigerator. It works on the 6th Sense Deep Freeze technology. The Fresh Flow Air Tower ensures that the contents of the refrigerator remain fresh for a long time. The vegetables and fruits remain crispier with the Vegetable Crisper technology in use. The toughened glass shelves do not break easily. They can bear heavy loads. This refrigerator can also work under heavy voltage fluctuations. Hence, there is no need for a stabilizer. You have a built-in stabilizer. You have a reciprocating compressor that ensures low maintenance costs. However, this refrigerator has a 2-star B rating. There is a warranty of 1 year on the refrigerator and 10 years on the compressor. Samsung 253L Frost-Free Double Door Refrigerator Review. Samsung is a reliable name as far as consumer electronics is concerned. However, this 253-liter frost-free refrigerator has a 2-star rating. This is one of the best-selling double-door refrigerators in India. The digital inverter technology allows the compressor to work tirelessly at varying speeds. This enhances the life of the compressor and improves the cooling as well. The rolling hinges on the shelves allows you to pull out the trays and slide them according to your convenience. The recess handle and the hidden hinges make this refrigerator look attractive. The twist ice maker tray allows you to remove the ice cubes easily. The drawer comes with great insulation whereby it prevents the escape of moisture, especially when the humidity levels are low. You get all-round cooling in this refrigerator. This fridge is capable of performing even during high voltage fluctuations. You do not need a voltage stabilizer. You have an on-site warranty for 1 year on the refrigerator with the compressor getting a 10-year warranty period. Higher 247L Frost-Free Double Door Refrigerator Review. This 247-liter capacity refrigerator comes with higher technology, one of the best in the business. Making ice cubes is very easy with the Hour icing technology. It will not take more than 60 minutes to form the ice cubes. The cool pad facility is available whereby you can maintain the chillness of the food for up to 10 hours even during power cuts. This refrigerator can withstand voltage fluctuations in the range 135 to 290 volts. Hence, you do not require a stabilizer. The 360-degree airflow ensures that it cools every part of the fridge in a uniform manner. The vitamin C filter allows you to store fruits and vegetables for up to 7 days without experiencing any loss in their moisture levels and freshness. The innovative child lock feature can help you keep your refrigerator out of bounds for children, especially when you are not around. This 3-star refrigerator comes equipped with a reciprocating compressor that ensures low maintenance costs. You have a 10-day replacement guarantee and a 1-year warranty with the Compress, 9-year warranty window. Whirlpool 340L 3-star frost-free double-door refrigerator review. Normally people associate Whirlpool with washing machines. However, they are equally adept at manufacturing best refrigerators as well. The refrigerator in question is one of the best ones available from the Whirlpool stable. Having a capacity of 340 liters, this double-door refrigerator is perfect for big families. This is a 3-star refrigerator. This is an intelligent refrigerator having 3 IntelliSensors on the display panel, FC, and the RC. You get a deep freezer with tower cooling facility. The presence of flexi vents on the fridge allows for the free flow of fresh air into the tray whereby you can get rid of the stale smell. This can keep your food, especially the vegetables, fresh for a long time. The active DEO facility ensures that your refrigerator remains fresh at all times. This is one of the quality refrigerators for storing fruits as they remain crispier for a longer time. The friendly user interface and stabilizer-free operation are additional. LG 260L 4-star frost-free double-door refrigerator review. LG is one of the leading manufacturers of best frost-free refrigerators. This particular refrigerator has a capacity of 260 liters and comes with a double door. This entails that you have a separate freezer box. Working on the inverter technology, you have the services of a smart inverter compressor from LG. One of the important features of this refrigerator is the Ice Beam door cooling facility. This model comes with an automatic Smart Connect facility. The premium florid finish makes the refrigerator look very attractive as well. The energy rating of 4-star allows you to save considerable power while being attractively priced at the same time. You have a 1-year comprehensive warranty on the refrigerator while the Smart Inverter compressor has a 9-year warranty.